Now I'm in. So what you first and do here is you come here to this D app, and then you copy the link that I send in the group, and then you paste it here. You tap on this place and then paste it there, and then click on done. It's very simple. But look at this, you can see that this thing showing Ethereum logo. Don't use this Ethereum logo, change it to this one, Polygon. Change it to Polygon. You see now, this is, I want to register now. You see what it showed me. Wait first. Guy, calm down now. So when you paste the link and you click on done, you see something like this, and then you click on sign up now. It's very simple. Sign up now, and then you click on this. If you are using Trust Wallet, click on this Trust Wallet, and then it will divert me to somewhere. I'll approve something. It's very simple. It's not even this the fees is never up to 0.30 cents. So you click on approve. It's very simple. So after this, I'm going to be upgrading slots, and that's basically it. And I will share my link to you now in your DM. So that's basically what you see. Registered successfully. It is very simple. Okay, so this is my link here. I'm going to copy it. So to upgrade level, you scroll down, click on classic. You click on classic, this boost, and then you activate level 1. Proceed. Level 1 is 5 day. You can see $5, and then you approve it. Then I'll approve another level again. That one is $10. What the fuck? I'll have to get extra mythic. When I'm done, I'll get back to you. I'll continue the video. Okay, you approve the stuff, and then you just keep upgrading slots. Upgrade slot as soon as you register. You upgrade your slot, or else someone else is going to take your profit. So I've upgraded level 1, level 2, and then I'll have to upgrade this one also. I have to upgrade this 2, which is 10 day. So you can see here, it's showing 10. So if you bought 15, this is level 2. If you bought $15 this thing, you upgrade 5, number 1 and number 2. So I'm only going to upgrade 3 slots for now. I'm going to upgrade 3 slots for now. Not that someone will go and be greedy and go and spend money, and other people want to make money. So then after I upgrade this one, I'll upgrade the last slot. That one is 20 die. Let's wait for this one to load. Guy, don't load. Calm down now. Okay, see. So this is the other one. Upgrade. Level 3. 1 to level 3. Confirm. It's very simple. And that's basically everything. I'll be sharing my link in your DM now. Just chillax. So that. Okay, so this is where I copy my link. I've copied my link, and I'll be sending it to you now. Peace.